In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Canva not downloading files issue. If you are trying to download the design and nothing happens or the download fails partway through, it is usually caused by a connection problem, a VPN interference, or a browser issue. The goal today is to walk through a few practical fixes that resolve the most common causes without changing your Canva settings or your design. First, check your internet and VPN. Canva needs a stable and uninterrupted connection to process and export files. When your connection drops, even briefly, Canva may not be able to finish preparing the download. To start, make sure you are connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi if possible, because Wi-Fi is often more stable for downloading files. Then, turn off any VPN you are using. Virtual private networks can sometimes block or slow down Canva's export scripts, which can lead to downloads not starting. After turning off the VPN, reconnect your internet to refresh the connection. You can toggle your Wi-Fi off and on, or restart your modem if that is an option. When you restart your modem, give it a moment to fully come back online before you try downloading again. Next, after your connection is stable, clear your browser data or switch browsers. Many download errors happen because of outdated browser versions or accumulated cache. Your browser cache is meant to speed things up, but over time it can store files incorrectly, which can interfere with Canva's download process. Start by clearing your browser cache, along with your history and cookies if your browser allows it in one simple option. Look for the browser settings menu, then find the privacy or security section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. When you clear this data, the browser will refresh its stored files, which often fixes issues that prevent downloads from working. After clearing the data, you should sign into Canva again because clearing cookies will remove your current session. While you are clearing things up, it also helps to try an incognito or private window. Open a new private or incognito window and log into Canva again. This is useful because it disables many extensions and uses a cleaner environment that does not rely on the same cache data. From this private window, attempt the download again and see if Canva is able to process it successfully. If clearing cache and using incognito does not solve the problem, switch browsers. Sometimes Canva downloads fail in one browser due to compatibility issues, temporary glitches, or extensions that behave differently across platforms. Try exporting from an alternative supported browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If you already use one of these, switch to another one and try the download process there. When you move to a different browser, you are also changing the way the download is handled, which can eliminate the issue entirely. After you have tried switching browsers, take a moment to confirm the download actually starts and completes. If the download begins but stops, wait a few seconds to see if it resumes, especially for larger files. If nothing starts, go back one step and make sure your VPN is off, your internet connection is stable, and your browser cache has been cleared. Once you find a fix that works, your downloads should return to normal. And that covers everything you need to know.